Good morning. So all these students have are joined now because this is the lab of one CS5 X batch. X batch means first 28 students and Y batch means other 28 students. So we have the lab for one CHC 5 X batch with me and Y batch with some other faculty. Okay. So in the lab, we will be doing like that. We are teaching with two faculty, sorry, two faculties in the lab. This X batch with me and Y batch with me with I think Jivan sir or Snatan sir. Okay. So I hope yesterday what we have discussed is clear to you,
Yes, sir.
students. Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yesterday we have only discussed about the basic part of the subject. What is engineering mechanics? What is the chart of mechanics? If you can remember. Uh, then after that we have discussed what is rigid body. Then we have discussed about the marking scheme of the lab and the theory part. After that we have discussed about the if you can remember this we will be discussing free body diagram in the coming lectures. Then we have discussed about the reactions. What is reactions? What are different types of reactions? What are conditions for a reaction to occur? After that, I have told you to carry the calculator from the next class because the calculator is mandatory because you cannot able to solve the numericals. The big number of numericals are there. Lengthwise is also big, so you have to use the calculator. And I also shared with you yesterday about the books that you have to purchase at SS Bhavikatti. And the second is, yeah, what
Sir, some students are messaging that they cannot join the meeting.
and because I think I have 30 students right now, I think. So this is, I am again saying that right now X batch students has to be here and Y batch has to be somewhere else. Maybe Y batch students want to join here, so there is no need for them to join this meeting.
Sir, what are the rule numbers for
Sir,
admitting
can
Y
you tell
batch?
the team code, please?
I have already shared the team code, I think. Just a minute.
Sir, my roll number is 309, so am I supposed to be in this batch?
Your roll number is 309. Yes, you supposed to be in this batch. So I am just telling you from roll number 291 to it's 321. First 29 students up to 321 or 322 has to be here, and after 322 to 357, these students have to go to other batch, by batch, and the faculty there is Sanatan Ratan sir. And I'm just give me a second. I'm just uh, sharing the code. Who is the CR of the class? Sagar,
Not elected yet.
not elected. I
वो
think
तो है
I think Sagar
Elected
sir for
Sir, it's me.
Sagar
Sir,
बात
it's me.
you know. Okay, Sagar, I am just sending you the code and send this code to the remaining students. Okay, I have sent you the code on our WhatsApp and just forward this code to the students if they are not able to join. And again, I am saying roll number 322 up to 322 has to stay here, and more than 322 means from 324 to 57 they have to stay to the by batch class with Sanatan Ratan sir. Okay, now we will start if you can remember, I am just sharing again the slides. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am just coming to the that part. This one. This you can see the list of experiments here. These are the practicals that we have to do. Number one is to verify the law of force polygon. Second, to determine the reactions on the simply supported beam using parallel force apparatus. Third, to determine the coefficient of friction between the wood and various surfaces on an inclined plane. Fourth one, to find the forces in the members of jib crane. Fifth, to determine the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and efficiency of a screw jack. Sixth, to determine the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and mechanical efficiency of the simple wheel. After that, to determine the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and mechanical efficiency of the worm wheel. Next practical, to verify the forces transmitted by the members of given truss. Next practical, to verify the law of moments using bell crank lever. And the 10th is to determine the mechanical advantage, velocity ratio, and mechanical efficiency of the differential wheel and axle. So these are the 10 practicals that we have to perform. Though right now we are in the online mode. So here what I will be doing, I will be explaining you the procedure, I will be explaining you the theory, I will be explaining you everything how we have to make the practical, and I will show you the photos also here, and then I will show you some readings, and on that basis readings you have to make the practical file, and once the college are open, then you can go in the college and do the or take the readings there. So regarding the practical file, you have to purchase a practical file that simply that you will purchase for physics chemistry file like that in your 11 12, and one side will be plain, other side will be ruled. So like that you have to, I think you all are aware about the practical file. So you have to purchase the practical file, and you should carry the practical file from the next lab. So today we will be discussing about the first practical, and once I will discuss the practical, then I will give you some time, because in this what we have to do, we have to verify the polygon force, means we have to make a polygon. So on first reading, basis of first reading, you will make a polygon. Second readings, you will again make a polygon. So that's how you have to make the polygon. And today I have already told you CR that you should be having the geometry box with you, and protector should be there in that. Then scale should be there, pencil, everything should be with you so that you can make the polygon. So these are the 10 practicals, and now uh, before starting the practical, I just want to tell about the practical file. On the left side what you have to write, and on the right side what you have to write. If you can see, if you know about the practical file, right side is always the ruled one, and the left side is always the plain one. So left side you have to write it with the pencil. So make a note of what I am telling you right now. uh, you should be having a piece of paper and pen with you. Just write down what you have to write on the left side, what you have to write on the right hand side of a practical file. Left side, if you can see, the left side is simply the plain side, right side is the ruled side. So write down what you have to write on the left hand side. Left hand side you have to write aim, then the apparatus. After that you have to write the diagram. After diagram you have to write the observation table. After observation table you have to write the calculations, and finally the result. This you have to write on the left side of the practical file. And remember, left side of the practical file is always the plain side, and you have to use only the pencil there. You should not use the pen on the left side. So I am again repeating what you have to write on the left hand side. Number one, aim. Second, apparatus. Then sorry, diagram. After diagram you have to go for the observation table, then the calculations, and after calculations you have to go for the result. So this you have to make in the left hand side. Now comes to right hand side. What you have to write? First you have to write aim, then apparatus, then theory. After theory you have to write the procedure. After procedure you have to write the result, and then finally precautions and sources of error. So this is clear to you what you have to write? Every student,
Please repeat, sir. Yes, sir.
should I repeat for the both pages once again, or only for the right hand side?
Right hand side, sir.
Right hand
Only
side.
for the
Okay.
right hand side.
Okay, okay. I am repeating it for the right hand side. Aim, apparatus, theory, then procedure, after the result, and finally precautions and sources of error. So this part you have to write on the right hand side of the practical file, and left hand side I've already told you. So
Sir,
yeah, pardon.
so what was the last thing on left hand side?
Left hand side last thing was result.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Left hand side and right hand side what you have to write, I think is clear to all of you. And you can see this assessment screen once again for the lab part. See here. This is the attendance part, 5 marks. It will be automatically converted from the Amazon. This is the practical record. This is of 15 marks. That means whatever you are doing in the lab, how much you are performing, how much you are showing the work. This comes under 15 marks. And this is the lab record. This is called as the practical file that you are making. So you have to show it to me every week. Let us say today we are going to discuss the first practical. So in the next lab, you will show me the PDF file of the practicals that you have done in the previous lab. So you have to mail me your this PDF files so that I can check how many students have done the correctly or not. And this is finally is the Viva part here, and Viva will be again of 10 marks. So total assessment you can see here 15, 5, 10 and 10. This is the internal assessment. So total is how much? 40. So you will be having 40 marks of this lab practical of internal assessment, and 60 marks will be conducted at the end of the semester when your final exam of engineering mechanics will be done. So there 30 marks will be for the written part and 30 marks for the viva part. So I think assessment scheme and the practical file how you have to make and list of experiments is everything is clear to you? Students, is everything is clear till now?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
in
what type
aim
of
and
lab
apparatus
report we
we
have
have
to
to
take?
write on both sides of the
Yeah,
file.
yeah. Aim apparatus you have to write on the both sides, left hand side and right hand side also.
Sir,
Okay.
Should I
what type
repeat?
of lab report we have to make? Like what type of register?
Pardon?
So what type of register we have to take for the
Just
lab?
like the physics chemistry practical file you have prepared in your 11th or 12th class. Just like that you have to make the practical file. You just go to the bookshop and just tell them you have to you need a practical file. The, that person will give you. Okay.
Means
So,
hardbound and blank on one side.
no, no, not hardbound. Not hardbound. Simple.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So shall we
Sir,
start now?
we have to cover the practical file with brown paper.
No, no, it's not required. That covering is not required in that. Okay. So I am just unsharing this slide and sharing this other one. This is visible to you. Next slide.
No, sir. Slides are not.
No,
No.
sir.
Wait.
No, sir. Sir.
It is now visible. Now it's visible.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this is the first practical, that is experiments. This is on experiment on concurrent force system using polygon force apparatus. So learning objective is to verify the law of force polygon and then make the force polygon. So before starting the experiment, can anybody tell me what is a concurrent force system? Can any student tell me what is a concurrent force system? Any student? If any student have knowledge, then that student can tell me what is concurrent force.
Sir, common point, and there
All the
are different
forces
type of forces.
passes from a common
Yeah,
point.
yeah. The forces which are passing through a common point, or you can say from the one point, then that system or is called as concurrent force system. Okay, means a point is there, and from that point, a number of forces are coming out. So that system is called as concurrent force system. So now see here, to our aim here is to, you can see the diagram here. Universal force table is here. I am showing it with the laser pointer here. So this is the diagram here. Okay, this is the actual apparatus that is being shown to you in the lab when you will be visiting the university. Then this type of apparatus is there. So this you can see, we have to verify the
Sir, no
polygon law.
diagram is visible.
Diagram is not visible to you.
No, sir.
Students, visible?
Sir,
It
it's
is
visible.
visible to me, sir.
Sir, it's visible.
Visible to me.
It's visible.
Sir,
Okay.
it's not visible to me.
You once again check it why it is not visible, because from my side is okay. From my side is okay. So see here, this is the universal force diagram, force table here. This total apparatus name is universal force table, and how you have to uh, use this. So simple theory is that you can see here, if more than two coplanar and concurrent forces are acting on a body, then if they can be represented by consecutive sides of a polygon taken in order, then their resultant will be represented by the closing sides of a polygon taking in the opposite order. So this is the theory part. A simple, we have already studied in 11th, 12th about the basics of this triangle law. This simply just as simple as the triangle law, and polygon law says that simply, if we have number of forces or which represents the sides of a polygon, then one force, second force, third force, fourth force, if we draw it like in a shape that it constitutes a polygon, so last force which is adding to the first force or the first force diagram, then that is called as polygon or the force polygon law. So see what is showing here. This is a table here, and on this table we have a circular and aluminum force table. This is disc here, and disc has certain angles. Angles are engraved here. Small angles are engraved here to show the what are the different values. And on this you can see here there are four pulleys here. This is pulley 1, 2, 3, and 4. And also you can see there is a small string. This is the string here. This is one string, second, third, and fourth. And these four strings are attached with a small ring. This is the small ring here. And at this point, there the pointer is attached, and the small ring is lying there. And with these small rings, four different threads are attached, and these four threads are then passed over a pulley. This is one pulley, this is the second pulley, this is the third pulley, and this is the fourth pulley. So I am just explaining you the apparatus details. I am once again explaining it. This is the disc here. Total name of this apparatus is universal force table. And here this is the disc, circular disc is there, and on the circular disc a small ring is there, and to this small rings 4 threads are attached like that, and these 4 threads are passed over a pulley to different pulleys. This is one thread, this is second thread, this is third thread, and this is fourth thread. And after this you can see this hook is there, and on this hook there are different weights which are hanging with the or through the hook. So this is for the pulley 1, this is second, this is third, and that is the other one. So what is happening here when we do the
Sir,
practical? Yeah.
Sir, actually, exact is till 26 or 27 enrollment number. So people are asking that I gave my attendance in XPath, but sir told it's still only 322.
Okay, no issues. Listen. If the student is in this group or in the other group, we will provide the attendance. Okay, we will provide the
okay.
attendance. Don't worry. Okay, don't worry for that. We will provide the attendance. If the student, if some students are in the other batch also, we will provide the attendance. Don't worry for that. So see here, I am where we were. We were here. Different weights are hanging here, and the value of each weight is 50 gram. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6 weights we have put on the this hook, and here we also put 5, 6 weights. Small weights are there of 50 gram each. So 5, 6 weights we have put here. Some weights we have put here. What is happening here when you are putting the weights here? So this ring will start moving to this side or can move to other side. So we have to adjust this ring in the central position. This is the main task. Okay, what is the main task? We have to put the weight accordingly that the ring, the small ring which is lying here should be at the center. So when the ring is at the center, then the weights 1, 2, 3, 4, these all weights will be in equilibrium. Okay, so this is the main diagram, or you can say the explanation of the apparatus universal force table. So this is called as a stand here. So this is the circular disc, this is the ring here small, and these are the threads here, and this is the pulley here. Okay, and these are small weights which are hanging on the pulley. So I am just reading it out for you once again if you have missed something. This apparatus consists of a horizontal circular force table which is called as universal force table. This is the figure. It has a disc. This is a small disc, black shape. Okay, and graduated in 360-degree, means angles are engraved on the small disc so that you can easily measure the angle. So this is 360-degree. At the center of the table, a small pin is fixed. Here a small pin is there, and on around this a small ring will be there. The table has a provision to fix at the right angle. It is provided with leveling screw. Here they are the screws. These are the screws here. We can rotate the screws and we can adjust the angles with the help of screws. And it provided with 11 screws and pulleys. It has a circular central ring, which I have already told you. This is ring here, small ring here, to which all the threads are attached. It has circular central ring placed at the center of the table, and this has the provision to apply the weights at number of places by the string attached to the ring. So one end of the string is attached to the circular ring. You can see here, this is the thread. This is the one end is attached to the ring, and other end of the thread is attached on the to these weights. Similarly, one end of the thread is attached to this ring, and other end is attached here with the weights. So see, one end of the string is attached to a circular ring, while the other end is attached to the hook, which is passing over a frictionless pulley. So see, this is very important part here. This pulley is frictionless, means there is no friction involved in this. So tension will be same here, this part and this part. So weight is placed on the weight holder, which is hanged to the hook. So this is the main explanation. Now comes to the process.
Sir,
Ha,
sir, what is the use of angles marked on
ha, wait,
the
wait,
black disc?
wait. Ha, ha, pardon, yes.
So what is the use of the angles marked on the black disc?
Yes, use no. The main, you can see this is one thread and this is other thread. You can see this. You have to
Yes, sir.
calculate the angle. See, this is the thread here and certain angle is here. Let us say it is 100 degree, okay? And now
Yes, sir.
this is the second thread. Let us say here angle is 150 degree. So how we have to calculate the angle? So this will be 150 minus 50, 150 minus 50, okay?
Yes, sir.
150 minus 100, that will be 50 degree. So this is
Yes, sir.
the use of the angle. Similarly, you can see this is one thread, this is other thread. You have to calculate this angle. This how much is the inclination? So let us say here it is 160 and here it is 350. So 350 minus 160. This is the significance of the angle. Fine. So what you have to do? You have to now I am explaining you the procedure part. What you have to do? You have to put the weights here. First, first of all, you have to put the weights here on the different hooks. When you are putting the weight here, let us say you put here 7 pieces of 50 gram each, and here you put 5 pieces, and here you put 4 pieces. So when you put 7 pieces here, what will happen due to this uh, pressure of this force? The circular ring will come to this side. So you have to put the different weights here so that it should come in the center. This is the first thing you have to do. You have to put the weights in a manner that the ring should be in the center, central position and on the pin. So this is the first step you have to do. Put all the weights in the different pulleys here or different hooks here and adjust the ring here. So ring should be in the center position. This is the first part you have to do. And after that, what you have to do? Let us say take this weight as A, take this as B, this as C, and this as D. If in case of our practical, we have 5 different pulleys. In the diagram, we have shown here 4, but in the actual, when you go into the lab, there are 5 pulleys are there. So 5 threads are there. So you can see here we have only 4 threads, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you will be having the 5 threads. So what is the main purpose? We will take one thread as a resultant and we will see the weight of that, what is the weight which is hanging there, and according to the weight we will see the length how we have to make the polygon. So see here, we are going to next slide here. They are the procedure what we have to do. uh, the main thing you have to remember, 5 different weights hangers are there attached to central ring. Fix the sliding clamping device at the 5 different places on 5 different places on the table. Make them perfectly tight. First step you have to do, and then you simply have to put all the weights. And after putting the weights, you have to see the ring should be in the proper position. So place the small weights to different hangers slowly and apply the weight in all the 5 hangers in such a way that central ring comes at the center of the table. This is the first step you have to do. Next step you have to see now the mass part. You can see here how you have to make the force polygon now. Draw the force polygon. In the force polygon, draw only 4 forces and draw the closing sides. Note down the magnitude and angular information of the fifth force. So how you have to do? I am just tell you. See this diagram here. This diagram is visible to you. This is force F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5. F1 means what we have done. We have taken one the string which we have put on the table. So we will mark it as horizontal. Let us say we have that taken it in the horizontal position. Then for the second, so how you have to calculate the value here of the force F. So this you have, for making this you have to take the scale. How you will take it? I am just going back to the previous slide. Here you can see 5 weights are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and weight of the each piece is 50 gram. So total will be how much? 50 into 5, that will be 250 gram. Okay. So this is the weight here, 250 gram for the string this. So how we have to make it on the sheet? We have to assume the scale here. Let us assume that 100 gram is equal to 1 centimeter. So for making the polygon, we should have the length. How we will take the length of the first string? Let us say this A. So for making this, we will take scale as 100 gram is equal to 1 centimeter. So here it is. Let us say this is here 250 gram. So 250 gram will be how much? 2.5 centimeter. So length of the first A force is 2.5 centimeter. You with the help of scale, you make the diagram. Okay. And coming to the next one. Now for the next string, what is the weight here? Let us say it is 350 gram. 350 gram. So 350 gram will be how much? 3.5 centimeter. Okay. This is for the B weight. This is B. What is the angle which we have already discussed? There's some angle is engraved here. Let us say it is 100. And for this string, let us say here it is 150. So 150 minus 100, that will be 50 degree. So this is the angle theta 1. Fine. Similarly, this is the theta 2. Similarly, this is the theta 3 and then theta 4. So accordingly, we have to make the angles here. So I am sharing, I will be sharing you with another slide right now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually I'm from Y batch, so I just want to ask when the class for Y batch will be held, because
It
they
is
are unable to join now.
it is also being conducted simultaneously with another MS team.
Sir, but
It
we
is
are unable to join. We don't have any team code or any meeting right now. We are unable to see it.
okay. You just stay here, and at the end, I will take the attendance. Okay, and I will send your attendance to the other faculty. Fine.
Okay, sir.
You just take the class here. So I am sharing some other slides now.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, so in this table, the
Hmm.
pulleys are at random angles, and we adjust the weight so that the center ring is at the ring is
Center
at the
position. Yeah.
center.
Center position. Yeah.
Okay, and then we measure the angles,
Yeah. You
and
just measure all. You have to measure the angles between the threads. Okay.
yes, sir.
That
And
will
then
be
we add
7.
another fifth weight.
Huh. Because the fifth weight is the resultant weight, so just simply you have to take the value of that weight and put the in the table. I am just coming to the table once again. Just give me a minute. I am
Yes,
just
sir.
coming to the table.
Okay, sir.
Just give me a minute. This is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the actually the lab manual. Okay. This is actually the lab manual that you have to see. I will just what I will be doing. I will be sharing you all the material here so that you can easily make it the table or your practical file. See here, I am coming to the this part. This force polygon is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For the weight A, for the weight A, we have to take the or we have to make the polygon. How we will make it. Let us say for the pulley, which is at the weight A, is 350 gram. So 350 gram, 100 gram we will take at 1 centimeter. So 350 gram will be 3.5. So A to B we will make the line 3.5 centimeter. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After that, for the second weight, B to C, you have to mark again the length. How will we make? How will we take the length? We will see the what is the weight hanging on the point B. Let us say it is 450 grams. So 100 gram is equal to 1 centimeter. That will be 4.5 centimeter. So you have to make 4.5 centimeter. But remember here, what is the angle you have to take? See the angle. Angle will be theta 1. Theta 1 will be that I have already told you how you have to calculate it from the ring for the one string, and from the second string you have to subtract the values. You will get the angle. So with the help of protector, exterior angle you have to make. Let us say 60 degree. So put the protector here and make the angle 60 degree. So this will be of the second one. After that, for the third weight, again
Sir,
first calculate. Yeah.
please repeat it how we can calculate the angle.
Angle I have told you that one string, between two strings we have to calculate the angle. So for that we have to see the disc. On the disc we have to see which angle is right now for the string 1. Let us say it is 80 degree, and for this string B, let us say the angle is 140 degree. So you have to subtract 140 minus 80, that is 60 degree. So 60 degree is the actual angle. So you have to make the angle here with the help of protector. This is the 60 degree. So then make the second one, and similarly go for the third one and the fourth one. This is how you have to make the polygon. AB, BC, CD, and DE. These are the four weights. Weight 1, weight 2, weight 3, and weight 4. And the final weight will be of the resultant weight. So resultant you have to just draw it like that so that it should meet the first slide, also first point A. So after that calculate the value of the this final force. So this will be your the observe theoretical value. So see this, I am coming to this part. So you have to see the theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4. You have to take all the values here, and then you have to put the experimental value of F5. What is the experimental value? Experimental value you have to calculate, and the graphical, what is the measured value? Measured value is the value that you are getting after making the polygon, and experimental value is the value of the different weights which are put on the pulley. So just calculate those weights, and after calculating the weight, you will get the value of experimental value here, and graphical method value. After making the polygon, you will get this value. So percentage error will be graphical method value minus experimental value upon the method value into 100. So this is the percentage error that you will be getting. So after that, I am showing you this one practical file here. This is the scanned copy. This is how you have to make the practical file. Objective or the aim, then the apparatus, then the theory part. Here you have to write. This is the right hand portion. Okay. This is the right hand portion of the right hand side of the practical file. This is the rule side. So here you have to use the pen. Then you have to write the theory like that. After the theory is the table. Actually, table you have to make like that. Okay. You can see the table here. I am explaining you the table, and on this basis you have to make the polygon. See, for the weight A, 350 gram. Okay, this is the total of all the pieces of weights which are hanging there, 350. For B, pulley B is 400. Then for the third string is 350. For the fourth is 400 gram. So angles are calculated: theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, and theta 4. These are the four angles between these different strings. A and B, theta 1, then B and C, theta 2, This is 60 degree, this is 80 degree, then C and D is 70 degree, and D and A is 70 degree. So on this basis, this is the value of E last force, which is observed value. Observed value means this is the value which is based on the weight, which the weights which are hanging there. So we calculate the weight here, that is 400, and this is the theoretical value which you are getting after making the polygon. So then you have to minus it, observed minus theoretical upon observed into 100. So this the percentage error is you have to calculate. So for the equilibrium position, what is happening? We have put the ring in the central position. So all these strings are adjusted in such a way through the different weights so that the ring should come in the central position. So when the ring will come in central position, that means the equilibrium of the polygon law of forces is justified. So here the error should be 0%. But if some error is coming out, that means when you are doing the practical, there was some discrepancy. So you have to take those precautions into account so that the percentage error that you are getting should be 0% here. So this is the observation table, and these are the procedure that students had made. And after that, you can see the polygon. Now it is visible to you, this polygon, how it is prepared.
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes,
explain?
sir.
Can I explain one?
Yes, sir.
I will
Yes.
explain you one so that you can easily make the others. See,
Okay, sir.
see the table once again. I am showing the table once again to you. See the table. CL number 1 for the weight A 350, 400, 350 and 400. Okay. So these are the 4 different length that we have to make. So total size will be 4 and one final will be the resultant. So because we have 5 threads, we have 5 strings. So for the 5 strings, we have to make the 5 sides so that we can complete a polygon. So A is 350, B is 400, C is 350 and D is 400. So accordingly, this is made. Again, see the diagram here. 350. What is this 350? We have taken the scale 100 gram is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. So 100 gram is 1 centimeter, that will be 3.5 centimeter. So make a line here of 3.5 centimeter AB. After that, angle between A and B is 60 degree. So we have put the 60 degree here and have the protector at the point B and draw a line at an angle of 60 degree from here and then cut here. How much it is coming? So BC you have to see 400, that means that has to be 4 centimeter here. So this is your BC and comes to third one CD. Again making this line as a reference line, angle is 80 degree. Put the protector at the point C and from point C take the angle 80 degree and draw a line, and line should be drawn equal to 3.5 centimeter because here it is 350 centimeter, so 350 gram, so that will be 3.5 centimeter. So we have to make a line like that, 3.5 centimeter, and again making this line as a reference and put the protector at the point D and mark the angle 70 degree here. So accordingly, again see here 400 means 400 grams means 4 centimeter. So make the diagram once again here. So all the 4 strings are prepared here, A, B, C and D. Fine. And after making these strings, this is the final resultant here. This is the final resultant here. So you have to, this is the point E and you have to draw it, and this is the actual theoretical value which you are getting from the diagram. So this you have to calculate, and experimental value of E you have already calculated it. See the table once again. This is the theoretical value you are getting when you make the final polygon. Okay, 360. When you measure it, it is 360 coming. That means 3.6 centimeter. Similarly, for the second 4 and for the third is 450, then here it is 320. 320 means 3.2 centimeter, and then calculate the error if it is coming or not okay. So when you what you have to do, uh, you have to right now you have to make the polygon with these readings. The readings that I have shown here, you just take the 3 readings and make the polygon here, because I have already explained you. And when you will be in the university, you will be again doing the practical there, and you just cross verify whether these values are coming there or not. So right now you can make the polygon for all the 3 readings and show it to me, but whether the polygon is coming it correct or not. I am just wait. I am just want to show you one video also.
Sir, how experimental value is calculated?
Experimental value.
Yes, sir.
See, on the pulley or the fifth string, we have put some weight. Do you remember in the starting what I have told you? I have told you in the beginning that we have to put the different weights on the hook, and we have to take the values here. So let us say 5 weights are put and each weight is of 50 gram. So 15 to 5, that is 250 grams. Okay. So for the fifth weight also, for the fifth string also, that's how you have to calculate the experimental value at that time. In the beginning, you have to calculate the values. Just for the A, B, C, and D, you are getting the values. Similarly, also getting the value for the E. Just count the weights, how many weights are hanging there. Let us say if there are 6 weights are hanging, so 515 to 6, 300, simply 300 grams. So that will be how much? 3 centimeter. So this is how the experimental value is taken, and theoretical value just make the diagram, and after making the diagram, the last side which is coming to be out once again. Last one, this one DE, E point is missing here, DE, and this is EA. So final is EA. This is the actual resultant part. So this you have to calculate. This is the theoretical value that you are getting here, and experimental value from the weight. So can you able to see this video is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am just showing you the video part. I am just see here. See this. This is the your lab in which this force polygon apparatus is there, and you can see the diagram here, force polygon, and this is the actual diagram which is being shown here. I am just making it a large. This is, you can see this is the disc here, and this is the small ring, you know, that I was telling you. Can you see the ring? This is the small ring here. This is the small ring, and these are the different threads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you able to see 5 threads here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these threads are put on the pulley. This the service what is doing is putting the weights here. That I have told you, you have to count the weights. These are the weights. This is the hook here, and weights are hanging there. Okay. And for these weights, you have to calculate the values. So after putting, he is now putting all the weights on the pulley, and see there what is happening. After putting the weights, this ring is not in the central position right now. We have to make it in the central position. So we have to adjust some weight so that this string comes in the central position. You can see some weight is putting there, some at some pulley we are putting some more weights. So central position of the ring is shifted. So we have to put the weight in a way on the different pulleys so that this ring should be in the center position. Now he is doing it. You can see he's taking out the weight here, and he's just showing that how the this ring comes in the center part. You can see now he's putting some weight to some other pulley so that this ring is properly adjusted. Now it is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see, and you can also see there the different angles are engraved, you know, that I have already told you. For the threads here, you can see the circular disc is there. Different angles are also engraved here. So earlier you were asking me, sir, how we have to calculate the angles. So this is how you have to calculate the angles. Now I am just making this little bit further. So I think this uh, apparatus is now much more clear to you now, because now I am showing you the actual video. See, for the calculation of angles, let us say this is one thread, this is other thread. No? So what we have to do, we have just you have to see the angles. This thread is put on the some angles. Some angle you have to calculate which angle is this for the thread 1 and thread 2, and after that you just need to subtract the angles. Okay, this is how you have to calculate the angles between the threads. This all when we will be in the university, we will, you can see this is the angle here, na? You can see this is 160 here, 160, and here it is 80. So just need to minus it. This is how you have to calculate the angles: theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, and theta 4. See here once again, the different angles are here. Just need to calculate the angles. And now simply this is the explanation of the table that I have done. So should I show the video once again?
Sir, do you have
Yes,
a
sir.
video for the
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Uh, see this once again. This is the universal force table. This is the disk here. These are different threads which are attached here. This is small ring is in the center. We have to put weights on the different pulleys here so that this ring should come in the center. Okay, and for the weights which are putting here, or you can see the threads, five threads are there. You can count 1 2 3 4 5. Simply five threads are there. So we are taking each thread as A, B, C, and D, and the last thread we will take it as the return part that we have to calculate. So angle between the A and B, this, let us say this is A, this is B, angle will be theta 1 between these two threads. Similarly for B and C, angle will be theta 2, for next theta 3, and similarly theta 4. So that is how you have to calculate the angles. The angles I have already shown you. 160 is here, 80 is here. So 160 minus 80, that is the angle. So I think from my side it is uh, done. I have already explained to you everything. So uh, now it is your turn. I have just see this table. See this table, and all of you, what you have to do, all of you have to take out the pen, pencil, protector, and for the first reading, 350, 400, 350, and 400, make the polygon. Angles are there, theta 1, theta 2, this is 80, okay, 70, 70. So for these values, try to make the polygon. So I am waiting for your answers. Just make the polygon and show it to me. This is the table. take the first readings 350, 400, 350, 400 and make the polygon. I will call every student, and once when I will call, and that student should open his camera and show me the polygon. I will be calling from roll number 291. So every student has to make the polygon and show it to me. And remember that this complete task that you are doing here, this has to be completed by next Thursday. You have to show me the practical file next Thursday.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm from Y batch, so I joined late, so I don't know what experiment are we doing.
Same, sir.
Yes, sir. Same here. I am also from the Y batch, and there was a confusion on the WhatsApp group that the Y batch students have to join or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same
Yes.
here. Same here.
Same
Okay.
here, sir.
Okay. Uh, what to should I repeat once again, or
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
I am repeating it once again. See, so have you seen the video?
Yes, sir, we
Yes, sir.
did.
Yes,
Video is clear. Video is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I
Video is clear.
okay. I am just explaining once again with the help of video. Okay. Within 2 minutes, I will explain it to you. See, this is the ring here, and 5 threads are there. So accordingly, 5 sides of polygon will be made. Fine. 5 threads are there, and 5 threads are attached with the small ring, and this is attached over a pulley, and weights are hanging from there. So our main purpose is to do what? We have to put the weights in different pulleys in such a way that the ring should come in the central position. Fine. This is this is the first step you have to do. Secondly, for the different threads, let us say this thread we have to take in at A, second we taken at B, third C, fourth D, and last one as the resultant. So what we have to do for the weight A, we have to count the number of pieces of weight which is hanging, and each weight is of 50 gram. So let us say for the A, 6 weights are there. So that will be 50 into 6 will be how much? 350 grams. Fine. So 350 grams will be the value of A. So you can see here, this is 350.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
You just said that there are 6 blocks. So the weight must be 300 grams instead of 350.
I am saying weight means number of weights which are hanging on the A thread. So each thread is of 50 gram. If we add these 6 weights, that total will be count for A. For the string A, total will be 50 into 6, that is 350 grams. So 350 gram is the mass. So we have to make it on the polygon. So we have to make the sides of polygon. So how we will make it? For that we should know the value or length value. So how we will convert that value, the length? 350 gram. How will we convert? Let us say on the scale 100 gram is 1 centimeter. So 350 gram will be 3.5 centimeters.
5
This is
centimeter.
3.5 centimeter. This is how we have to make. Fine. Similarly for the B, 400 gram. 400 gram means 4 centimeter. 350 again 3.5 centimeter. 400 gram. This 400 gram means this is total number of weights which are hanging on the through these strings. We have to add
Okay.
all these small weights. Okay. See here, we have to add these small weights. You can see a number of weights are there, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of weights are there. So we have to add these
Yes, sir.
different weights, and each weight is of 50 gram. So total will be 50 into 6, that is simply 300. है ना? This is the 300.
Yes, sir.
Is the weight which is hanging through the A, B, C, and D. Now, how you will make it on the polygon? For that, you should know the length value, and how we will convert it. For that we have taken the scale. Scale we have taken here 100 gram is equal to 1 centimeter. So that will be, this will be 4 centimeter, this will be 3.5, this will be 4 centimeter, this will be 3.5. And they are the angles. Angles I have already explained: 60 degree, 80 degree, 70 degree, and 70 degree. They are the angles between the different strings. See here, this this is showing here, angle is showing here. This is string 1, this is other string. Angles which is put on the strings, we have to see the different angles here which are put here. Let us say this string at angle of 120, and here it is putting at 70. So 120, you can see there some angle is there, and for this string some angle is, this is 160 and this is 80 simply. So 160 minus 80 will be how much? 80 degree. So this is the angle how we have to calculate angles between the strings: theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4. So these are the different angles, and after that they are the values, theoretical value, that what you are getting after making the polygon. This is the resultant side or the final side. So try to make it, and I will give you five minutes to
Sir,
complete
I've
the diagram
made the polygon for the first reading.
for the first reading.
I'm doing for second reading.
Okay, do it. I will call roll number wise. I am giving you 5 minutes. All of you, I am giving you 5 to 7 minutes, and I will call roll number wise, and I will see the what you are making. If a person has made make it for the first, then proceed for the second
Sir,
reading
do
and
we
proceed
have
for the
to?
third. Yeah,
Yes,
pardon.
sir.
Hmm.
Sir, do we have to make the diagram for all the three readings?
Yes, yes, you have to make the diagram for all the 3 readings in your practical file. Here you can show me 2 readings or 2 polygons.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
Fine. Here you have to show me 2 diagrams, and but in the practical file that you will be showing to me on next Tuesday, 3 readings or 3 polygons should be there. So I am giving all of you 5 minutes, and
Okay, sir.
then I will call roll number wise. Once when I call roll number wise, that student will open his camera, and then he can show me what he has done. I am
sir,
just giving
we
5 minutes for
measure.
you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we measure the angle after we hang all the 5 weights.
Yes, yes. Because after hanging the weights, only the ring come in the central position. We
No,
have
no. After
pardon?
hanging 4 weights, the ring come into center position. Then we hang the fourth weight, fifth weight. Then we measure the
We
angle.
are hanging the fifth weight simultaneously. We are hanging all the 5 weights simultaneously.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So giving you 5 minutes, just complete it.
So we have to make the polygon for the first 2 readings.
So I hope you have make the polygon.
Sir, polygon for first two
No,
readings
sir.
or only for first reading?
First two readings.
Okay, sir.
You have to make it for first two readings. Third readings you can make it later on. So roll number 291 is there. Jaspers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I am making the second one, sir.
Can you show me your first one?
Wait a minute.
So you all need to open your camera when you are showing to me. You have not put the angle values. What is the angle which is coming out? What is the value of the last force which is coming up in your case?
Sir, 360 it is coming. 360 weight.
360 weight. Okay. And okay, draw it for the second one.
Sir, 370 in first
370.
one.
Okay. Roll number 292 Sparsh.
So making the second one, first one is done. May I show you the first one?
Yeah, show me the first one and then you can proceed with the
Yes.
second one. Just a little bit zoom. Okay. What is the value, final value?
Pardon me, sir?
What is the this error? How much error is coming?
Sir, I am getting 395, 3.95.
Fine, 3.95 is fine. I am asking for the this error, percentage error.
Haven't calculated yet.
Okay, fine. Okay, first you do it. Huh?
Me?
You can close your camera. Pranjal 294.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you please show the readings again.
294. 294 is online or not? Pranjal Arora.
Sir, could you please show the readings again?
So
294 is not here.
सब फर्स्ट वाले में जो थीटा 2 का एंगल कितना है 80 डिग्री
हाँ 80 degree 80 degree. You know, I am taking the attendance also simultaneously. When you are showing me the diagrams, I am also marking the attendance. So ensure that you are showing the work that you are doing. 294 is there or not?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So could you please show the readings again?
Show the.
Sir, could you please show the readings again?
Okay, It is visible now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now coming to 294, I think is not here. So 294 is absent. 290, next is 295. 296.
Sir,
296.
Yes.
sir, I have a question.
Hmm.
Sir, the first one, the second angle, is it 60 or 80?
80, 80, 80. But it is not clear. Uh,
Thank you.
so what is the percentage error you are getting?
Sir, error can't come. I didn't calculate error.
Second polygon. Have you made the second one? Just show me the
Yes,
second
sir.
one also. You have taken the angles internally. You have to take the exterior angles. Polygon is you have to make the take the exterior angles. See the diagram. Make it
By
make.
mistakenly, I took exterior angle, but by mistakenly I wrote interior.
Okay. But don't do this mistake in exam. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, but okay. Now next is 297.
लिया बाहर लिख दिया भीतर.
Jain sir.
297 come. Show me your
Sir.
polygon. Show me.
Sir, percentage error 5%.
Your roll number is
297.
297. Vipin Chaudhary. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Percentage is how much? Just show me the diagram.
Sir, 5%.
Percentage is too much. 5% is too much. This is for the first one. First one, what is the value you are getting for the resultant?
380, sir.
380. Okay, that is why the too much difference is there. Okay, check it once again. Why it is getting 5%? And for the second polygon?
Sir, बना रहे हैं सर अभी थोड़ी देर में
Okay, just make it. Okay. Okay, you can switch off your camera. 297, 298, roll number 298. Divyanshi 298 is not here.
Hello, sir. Yes, present, sir.
Yeah. Just show me the diagram.
Yes.
It is not visible. It is not clear.
No.
What is the percentage that you are getting?
Sir, 3.
3.
Yes, sir.
And what is the second diagram? Show me the second diagram. What is the percentage in the second case?
So, in second place, I didn't calculate.
Okay, calculated.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, 299.
Present, sir.
Sir, can you
Show me the diagram.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, please show the reading once again.
Just a minute, I am showing you. Just a minute. What is the percentage error?
सर कैलकुलेट नहीं करा, मेरे को सही से समझ नहीं आया कैसे निकालना है.
Percentage error that you have to calculate is theoretical minus experimental upon theoretical. Okay, into 100.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can continue.
Diagram.
Fine. Okay. Next is 300. Mohit.
Present, sir.
I am showing the readings once again. Want to check? Check it.
So percentage error is 3.5 for the first case.
3.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
For the first case.
Okay.
And
Coming
second case is 3.6.
3.6. Okay. See, show me the diagram. Okay, fine. Make the third one also. Okay. If you are free with
Okay, sir.
two, make the third one also. Okay. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Next is 301.
Present, sir.
मोला बता दिया हूँ लेकिन मैं देख
301.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, could you please tell how to calculate the percentage error?
Percentage error. Okay.
Yes, sir. I joined late.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I also.
Sir, please explain the figure as well.
Percentage error is theoretical minus observed upon theoretical into 100. Okay.
तो हमने तो ऑब्जर्व करा ही नहीं
सर हमने देखा ही नहीं है, हमने खाली वीडियो देखी थी तो
Observed means the weight what we have put on the police. Na? That's what I'm saying. These readings are based on what I have explained. Once we will be in the university, you will be doing the practicals once again. Okay. Don't worry for that. Uh,
In third reading, weight is 450 or 400?
450.
Okay, sir.
So, which roll number we were?
Sir,
301. 301.
301. Yes. Show me the diagram. Shekhar.
excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, Maninder sir has started a meeting, so shall we go there? Why back?
Yes, sir. I also just got a notification that Maninder sir is starting the meeting.
Okay, you can go. By batch, you can go. Only for by batch student.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
That means
Okay, sir.
up to 325 stay here. More above 325 can leave. Up to 325 stay here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Shekhar, what is the percentage error you are getting?
sir, 3.2 in the first and second I have not calculated yet.
Okay, calculate the second one also. Okay.
Yes.
Next is 302.
Sir, I've done the first polygon, but sir, I don't have a webcam. I'm sending the image on the Teams group.
Okay. Hmm.
Sir, I am part of Y batch, but will you take
Uh,
attendance for this batch?
Sir,
If
I've,
you want to leave, you can leave. Otherwise, I will give your attendance to your teacher. Okay.
sir, I've
Yeah.
uploaded the photo.
Uploaded the photo. Just a minute. What is the percentage error?
Sir, 0.75.
0.75. And what is the value?
Sir, the one I got 370.
370. Okay. Next is 303.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm sending the picture on the chat and my percentage error is 10%.
10% is too much. I think you have not
Yes,
make
sir.
make the polygon properly. Check for the angles once again. I
Okay,
think
sir. And
there is some mistake. You are not um, making the protector in a proper way.
okay, sir.
Check
So
it
I'm
because
sending you the picture.
give me the picture because 10% is too much. Up to 3% it is okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we take all these readings when the ring is balanced in the center, right?
Yes.
Sir, but so for the first and second readings, out four out of the five are same readings, and if we change the fifth one only, how will the ring be balanced if we are only changing one weight?
But what we have done, we are simultaneously putting the weights on the five rings. Fine. Let us say on the first pulley we have put seven weights. On the second one we have put three weights. Third one we have put the eight weights. And for the fifth and fourth we are also putting two or three weights. So by putting the weights, there is some pressure which is coming on the string, and due to that pressure the ring is moving in outward direction. It will not come in the center part. So we have to put the weights on the five strings or the five pulleys simultaneously, so that the this ring should be in the center position. So when it comes in center position, after that you have to calculate or you have to find all the weights that are the observed values.
Yes, sir. Like in the sir in the first readings, it means that the ring is balanced. If like in the first the set of readings we have taken.
For all the set of readings, the ring is in balanced position. All the set of rings is in balanced position.
No, sir. I want to ask some this that when we have taken the first, uh, then the ring must have been balanced.
Yeah, I mean to say, when the ring is balanced in the balanced position, you take all the readings for the first case, okay. And after that, what you will do, you will just shift the angle of the all the strings just by the unscrewing the screw. When you unscrew the screw, then what will happen? The direction or the angles of different strings are changed. When the angles are changed, again you will put the weights. So this is for the second readings, and again for taking the third set of readings, you will again unscrew the pulley position, and from there the strings are again put at different angles, and again you put the weights, and after putting the weights, rings once again comes in the central position, and then took the values for the third readings also. So in every case you have to see that ring is in central position, and after taking the first set of readings, you have to unscrew the pulley so that angles of these strings are some changed. When the angles are changed, then only you have to put the weight and put this ring in the center position for the second case, and similarly for the third case again. Because when angles are different, then only the weight will be properly varied, and only then you have to calculate the final value. This is how you have to do.
So here the angles are same for all the cases.
Okay. Here the angles are same, okay. They have not changed the angles. If you can also change the angles here. Here we have taken the for the all the three readings, angles are same, okay. You can also do it by unscrewing the screw, and you are just changing the angles. Angles can be 50, 100, or can be some others. So when we will in the lab, we will do the experiment properly, fine, and we will there also show you how different values are changed. In this
Okay.
case, angles are same.
Okay, sir.
So any where we were 303. Okay, now 306.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
303.
303, I've sent the picture in the chat.
Yeah, I have seen the picture.
The
Next is
first one.
306. First one. What is the percentage error?
Oh, sir, 7.5.
It's too much. You
Sir,
see once again.
second वाले में 0% है.
0% is good, but okay,
I
0% can be there, but it is too
I'll do
much.
it again. The first one.
Do it once again. Three
Okay.
zeros. Next is
For me.
307. Yeah. Show me the polygon? 400, 400. What is the value you are getting for the final one?
Sir, 370.
Percentage error?
Sir, 0.75.
0.75. Okay. Next, 308. Roll number 308 is there.
308, sir.
Shivansh.
Yes, sir. So can you see me?
No, it's not yet. Your camera is not open.
No, sir.
Not yet. Okay, there's some problem with your camera. You can put your picture in the chat box.
Okay, sir. I'll just do that.
Just put it and I will check from it.
Okay, sir.
Next 309 is here.
Yes, sir, here.
Show me the
Sir,
polygon.
see me?
No. Yeah. Just enlarge it. What is the value? 370. Percentage error?
Sir, 2.5% in the first case.
2.5. And for the second case?
Sir, in first case 2.5%, and sir, in second case it is coming out to be 7.5%.
Too much. You check it once again. Okay. Check it once again. There is some problem. Okay. Now coming to next student. Just switch off your camera now. 310.
Yes, sir. Can you see it?
Yeah. What is the percentage error in both cases?
So first one is 2.5 and second one is 5%.
Just coming too much in case of second one. Check it once again. Okay. It should not be more than 2 or 3%. Fine. Okay. Now 311.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 1 minute. Sir, this is my first case.
Okay.
And this is second.
What is the value of the first case?
In first case, sir, I got percentage error 0.80.
And second case?
Sir, second case not yet.
Okay, calculate
I have
it.
not
Okay.
not calculated.
Calculate it. Okay. Next roll number 312.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, my camera is not working. I have posted it on the general chat.
Chat box. Okay. What is the value you are getting? Yeah.
Sir, it's 308. I posted my image over there. Sir.
Okay. On the chat box you have posted?
General, sir. General.
General. Okay. Let me check. Shivansh and yours.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the error?
Sir, 2.5.
2.5. For the second case?
Sir, second I'm doing.
Do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
312.
Yes, sir.
What is the error you are getting?
Sir, in first one I am getting 5% and second one I am getting 7.5%.
In both cases you are getting very high value. Try to see it once again, okay?
Okay, sir.
That means you are not using your this protector properly, and take the reading in proper way.
Okay, sir.
Now next roll number 313.
Yes, sir.
313. Show me the polygon. What you have made? Just enlarge it. Okay, okay. So what is the value you are getting?
Sir, 2.5.
The first case, second case.
Sir, I'm still doing the second case.
Okay, do it fast. Now time is running out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next roll number 314.
Present, sir.
314. Yeah. Show me the polygon.
But this is the first one.
I am not able to see it. Yeah. Now it is visible. First one. Okay. What is the error you are getting?
Sir, I'm getting 5% in both the first and the second one.
The error is little bit high.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll
Just
do it again.
check it once again. Your protector, you are not taking the angle properly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Next 316. Hardik Anand. 316 is there. Three one six. Hardik Anand. Not here. Hardik, you are here or not? Okay, then 317.
Yes.
Show me. This okay, fine. So what is the percentage error in this case?
So first one is 2.5%.
And second one?
Second one is 1.25%.
1.25. Good. Do the third one also, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next is 319. 319 is here.
Yes, sir.
Show me the pictures.
Sir, it's in the chat box.
Okay. Just a minute. What is the percentage error?
Sir, for the first one, it is 1.5, and for the second one is 5%.
Check for the second one. Okay, it is little bit high.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next is 320.
Present, sir. Can you see it?
No, not yet. Just zoom it. Okay, fine. What is the percentage error in both cases?
Sir, 0.75 है first case में, and second case I'm doing again. वो थोड़ा सा गलत हो गया था पहले.
Okay, fine, do it. Next is 320. So 321.
Sir.
321. What is the percentage error? Just tell me.
So first is 3.5, second is 4.5.
Do it again. It is coming too much, okay?
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Then 322.
So
Hmm.
is it hello?
Hello, 322.
Yes, sir.
Uh, you have not shown the polygon?
So is it visible?
No, no, it's not yet visible.
So can I share the photo on the group on the MS
Chat
team?
box. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Now it is visible. Too.
Now is it visible?
Yeah. Okay. What is the value here you are getting?
It's I'm getting the percentage error of 2.5.
And second one,
For the second one, I'm saying for the first one, it's 7.5.
make it again. Just too much. Okay. Now next roll number 324. 324 is there or not? 324. Aditya Rajput. He's there or not? Aditya. I think he's not here. So last is 325. Satvik Chaudhary. 325. 325 is here or not?
I'm
Yes.
there, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
The first one is error is 2.5.
Mm.
Second one error was 1.25.
1.25. Okay. And you have made the third one also?
Yes, sir. Third one I got error as 4.28.
For the third case, it's a little bit high.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
So try
Okay,
to make the polygon once again and
okay,
check
sir.
it.
Okay.
So one student is, I think, has one or two students have not uh, given me the details. I am sharing their roll numbers again if that student is available or not. Roll number 294 is here or not? Pranjal Arora. He has not shown me anything. Roll number 294. And after 294, it's roll number 316. Hardik Anand. Is he there or not? 316. Hardik Anand. And 324. Aditya Rajput. So these three students have not shown me. I think they are not in the team. So I think this is all for today in the lab. I hope you have understand the practical number one, how you have to do the practical, what are the basic procedure of doing the practical, and what is how you have to take the readings. I have just shown the video also in that how you can do it. Once we will be in the university, we will be taking the readings there and it will be easier for you. So
Excuse
I have all, yeah,
sir, what should be the minimum error percentage in the second case?
minimum is maximum, you can say it's 1 to 2%. Maximum 2 and minimum,
Sir, we
uh,
don't have to
minimum it is
make
0, then is that is good. Maximum it is 2.
we don't have to draw the polygon right now in the file, or we should.
You all have to make the diagrams in the file. What we will be doing in the lab practical, we are making all the diagrams here in the file. Later on, when we will be in the university, we will be taking the readings and we will be putting some pages in the file. Okay. Yes, first, what do you want to say?
Sir, and where do we have to submit after completing the file?
Yeah, that is the important part. You have to submit it on my mail ID. Okay. I will share
Sir,
my
what is the
mail.
last? Sir, what is the last day of submission?
Last day of submission is, let's say today is Thursday. So by Wednesday evening, you have to submit.
And sir, what about the reading? The reading which you have shown, we have to use those readings.
Yeah, right now you have to use those readings only because you cannot take the readings in the lab right now.
Okay, sir.
Once we will be in the university, we will allow you to take 2 or 3 readings there and be comfortable with the experiment. And then you will be putting some more pages there. You will attach some pages, and thereafter that practical will be completed. Okay. So by Wednesday evening, you have to submit your this first practical so that I can evaluate it and I will make a record of it that student is making or doing the work sincerely and seriously. That's
Excuse
all.
me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we have to submit the file in the form of PDF.
Yeah, PDF. This is the only way.
So now we have to join the another link for your class.
Yes. Link.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, for diagrams, we only have to draw the polygons.
No, I will be sharing you with the lab manual also. From the lab manual, you take the diagram. Okay.
Of the instrument.
Apparatus. I'm talking of apparatus diagram.
Okay.
Polygon, you will make 3 polygons that is different, and for apparatus diagram I will be sharing you with all the lab manuals so that every time you can, after the lab, you can complete it in your files. I will be
Sir,
sharing
you
you
will
the
be
pardon?
Is there one more class?
Lecture class is there at 1:15.
Okay, sir.
This is the lab class, so I will be stopping in few minutes. Then we will start the lecture at sharp 1:15. Okay.
Sir, you will be sharing the lab manual on the official class group or the MS Teams.
What I will do, either I will put it on the MS Team or either I will take the email ID of your CR. I will give the manuals to the CR. I can do anything, either MS Team or whatever option.
So where will I find your email ID?
You all can make a note right now if you have pen with you. nkumar12 at the rate met.edu. nkumar12 at
Sir,
the
please
rate.
write it in a chat box.
Yeah, I am writing it. This is my email ID. So every week you have to submit your practical file in the PDF form latest by 1 day before. Means by Wednesday evening you have to submit. So you have full 1 week to complete the practicals. So anything else you want to share or discuss about the files or anything regarding the lab?
We leave now.
You can leave within 2 or 3 minutes. I am also leaving it this meeting, and at 1:15 you have to come again with the link that of the MS Team that we have done yesterday. Link will be different for the lecture and different for the lab.
So
Yeah.
I redraw the diagrams, but the percentage error is very high.
There is some problem. Better you just check it once again.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, I made the diagram again and the percentage error is 7.5. Earlier it was 10%. I think the
Earlier it
readings
was
are incorrect.
7.5 and now it is 10%.
It, I am really surprised why you're getting this type of building error. It should not be more than 3%, 2%, 3% is this maximum. Either you are not making it in the proper way. Check the protector how you are taking it. Once again, you can check it. Okay, so I hope we should stop the meeting now. So we can come back at 1:15 for the lecture part. Okay. Anything else you want to ask from the lab?
No, sir.
Practical file is clear to you? How you have to make the practical file? Yeah. In every lab, I will be sharing one video so that it can make it clear which type of practical or apparatus are there in our lab. So, okay, and I will be explaining you, and I will be asking you to write it on the practical file. So this is how we will be doing it, and what we will be doing in the middle of semester means now the September is going on. In the first or second week of October, we will plan for the midterm viva. So I will take one midterm viva and one the final viva. So full 1 month is with you. You can prepare it. So I think till that time, 3/4 practicals will be completed. So on from that practicals, I will be taking the midterm viva. So also prepare for it. In the second week of October, we will be taking it. Fine. So that's all from my side. So you all can leave and we can meet once again at 1:15.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.